Okay, today is Monday, July 8th, 2020. We're at 34240 Conroy Court in Farmington. As you can see, we're currently at a 4-inch stack base. It does pick up PVC, which picks up a laundry half bath. As you can see, we're right here by the water meter. This is going to be the first stack base that we're going to televise through. This does pick up a kitchen and a floor drain. We're going to televise over to the backwater valve. There's also a second stack on the other end of the house. We're going to televise, and then we're also going to televise the sanitary sewer, which goes out the back of the house. Again, this is stacked by the water meter, and this is 4-inch. 4-inch cast iron. There's been ongoing drain issues here. As you can see, we have quite a buildup of scale roughness here on this line. As we go through, this could definitely use some descaling. Here's the floor drain that ties in. And we also have the kitchen stack. Okay, here you can see the backwater valve itself. The flap has been removed, and you can see there's the clean out, and here you can see this is where we turn down, and you can see this is where the storm and sanitary tie together. Okay, this is our cast iron now that's leaving the house, actually. You're going to see up here shortly that we actually have the transition, as you can see here, from the clay tile, or from the 4-inch cast iron to the 6-inch clay tile. This is out in the backyard. We are going to go ahead and continue to televise out. As you can see, we're going to pull back. You can see right in front of us is a joint. Then just past there, you can see we have a crack in the tile. It's what we call circumferential. It goes all the way around. We're going to continue on out. We should be able to push to the city main from this location. So you can see we're holding just a little bit of water here. You can see here's some of the scale from the cleaning that was done. Okay, as you can see, we've had a few different tiles that have had these, what appears to be a circumferential crack that's going through just past the joint. I believe that was our third tile now that's had that. As you can see here, we have just a little bit of water that we're holding. As you can see, it's pretty clear. Again, you could see there was a little bit of paper. Okay, here you can see we have a large mass of calcite. This was noted on a previous video as well. This will require hydrojetting to break this up and remove it. Okay, as you see here, we're back underwater. Okay, it's hard for us to see beyond this point. We will go ahead and do the sanitary sewer separate. We will put a centering guide on to see if we can actually get a visual of this area and what it is. We will go ahead at this time, we will go ahead and pull back. We will continue the recording. Okay, again, you see here we're into the 4-inch cast iron. This cast iron is quite a bit smoother than what the interior cast iron is. It still wouldn't hurt to run chains and a little bit of sandpaper through to smooth it out. You see this is our storm to sanitary tie-in. Now we're back up into the sanitary. And again, this is the backwater valve here that you see. And this tie-in is possibly our other stack that we're going to televise.